Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to sync your settings preferences across all Windows 11 devices on your computer across your network. So any devices you have connected to your Microsoft account, these preferences would be able to accessed from. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select account. On right side you just need to scroll down, click on Windows Backup. You just need to click on this remember my preferences, click on this drop down, and you can toggle this to on position guys, assuming you are using a Microsoft account to sign into Windows 11, and then you can adjust different syncing options by your preferences you want to allow to be synced, such as accessibility, password, language preferences, and other Windows settings. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.